Hello WordPress peoples. In this video we are going to talk about a new plugin I have released, which is called Meta Display Block. It is just a customizable Gutenberg block to showcase your post meta fill, something like this. So let's see how does it work. So first of all, let me spin up a fresh WordPress site. So I'm gonna go to my script. I will run setup WP test bb. So this is gonna spin up a fresh WordPress site for me. So let's quickly log in to admin, and username password is admin. So let's download this plugin first, and I will provide the plugin link into the description section. Plugin has been downloaded. So let's add plugin, upload plugin. This is the plugin, so let's install it. And plugin is activated. So first of all, I will go to this hello world post and I will edit this. And let's try to search our blog, which is called Meta Display. So here you will be able to add a label. So let's say label is author. And here you will be able to see the metadata of this particular post. So currently it displays only one. So let me add one meta field for my newly created site. So I will use WP command for this, WP post meta add, and I'm gonna say author field, and I will give the value BuntyWP. This is nothing, I just added a meta field for this particular post. So first of all, let's save it, let's refresh it, and now here we have this meta field. So let's save this, and here you can see the preview as well, so how it is gonna look on the front side. So once you save this, and if you visit the front side, you will see the meta data displayed over here. Now you can do one thing, that you can hide label. You can display an icon as well, but for display you have to exit the preview mode. So here you can have the display icon, but before that, let's do one thing. I'm gonna display the label as well, and let's set the background first. You can set the fonts as well. I will say size something like this. Let's set line height. I'm gonna add some paddings over here, and then radius, I would say this. Border, let's not add border, but I would like to add a shadow. So drop shadow, and let's keep it this way. So by doing this, you can see how nice we are. We have an ability to display our meta field. Now if I let's hide the label, and now let's try to display the icon. So for the icon, I provided to add SVG code at the moment. In the future, you will be have the list of icons. You can directly set it from here, but I'm gonna set an icon by the SVG code as of now. So let's search SVG free icon. I will go to this site, and let's say add person. So here I would like to have this icon. So what I'm gonna do, I will just copy this SVG and paste it over here, and I will set this as icon. So here you will see the this SVG is uh, bigger size, so let's make it smaller. Copy SVG. Sorry about that. So you can set the icon size and width from here as well, like this. So let's keep this much bigger. And now if I refresh this, so you will be able to see the icon as well. So yeah, this is how the plugin works. If you have any doubt question, please write down below in the comment section. And if you like this plugin, please read the review over here. Comments, suggestions are most welcome. And this is it. That's all. Thank you. Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development. Thank you.